Hi, for those of you who are looking for a way to get more visibility and more engagement on Facebook and on the online space, Facebook has made everything possible. That's why recently they just opened the Facebook Reels globally so that you can be able to get more engagement in what you are doing. So all you just need to do right now is to go to your Apple Play Store or Google Play Store, update your Facebook, and then once you update your Facebook, you can get started by using the Facebook Reel to do whatever thing you want. So guys, after you must have downloaded it and updated your app, all you just need to do is to come to your Facebook page, open your Facebook page, you go down, you will see the Facebook Reel aspect or option at this bottom corner here. What you just need to do is to click on Reels. So once you click on Reels, you can now decide to create whatever video you want to do and get more engagement and visibility.